Can the state of South Carolina defund Planned Parenthood? The controversial topic is back in the spotlight as the United States Supreme Court will hear arguments in the case tomorrow.
ABC 15's Caitlin Richards joins us live in the studio after looking into what this could mean for South Carolina patients ahead of the discussion in the highest court. So, Caitlin, how long has this been going on?
South Carolina Governor Henry McMaster began taking steps to cut Planned Parenthood funding in 2018. In March of 2024, South Carolina filed Medina versus Planned Parenthood South Atlantic, challenging the state's efforts to prevent Medicaid recipients from accessing health care at Planned Parenthood clinics here in the Palmetto State. Parenthood provides health care to millions of people across the country. South Carolina's 2 Planned Parenthood centers treat patients for services like cancer screenings and annual checkups. The state's clinic sees patients who have difficulty finding a doctor who accepts publicly funded insurance, as 63% of Medicaid recipients in the state are women. On Wednesday, the U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments in Medina v. Planned Parenthood South Atlantic. The case was filed in South Carolina, but its impacts could be far-reaching, allowing states nationwide to block patient access to Planned Parenthood. Governor Henry McMaster among Republican leaders trying to block public health care dollars from going to Planned Parenthood since it's an organization providing abortions. However, federal law already prohibits Medicaid money going towards abortions. The Palmetto State currently bans abortions around 6 weeks from conception, with few exceptions. In a statement from Governor McMaster, he says, quote, "There's plenty of good organizations that provide maternal health advice, counseling, and care, and we need more of those. But I'm confident that over the years, people in this state don't want their money to go towards abortions." Planned Parenthood South Atlantic provided this statement to us, saying in part, quote, "If Governor McMaster is successful in blocking people with Medicaid coverage from being able to go to Planned Parenthood for reproductive health care, people who are struggling to make ends meet will pay the price. Our health centers serve an irreplaceable role in the state's health care system, providing birth control and cancer screenings to people who can't afford those services anywhere else." Now the next question may be whether Medicaid patients can sue over not being able to choose their own provider. In studio, Caitlin Richards, ABC 15 News.
Caitlin, thank you. States including Texas, Mississippi, Missouri, and Arkansas have already taken steps to block Medicaid funding for Planned Parenthood. More could follow if South Carolina succeeds in this case.